So we're going to change the wiper mode, so we're going to start off by removing the wiper arms. So pull these up and then towards you. Same with this one, put it up and then towards you to remove the covers. And then get a 13mm socket and loosen off the nut, and do the same with the other side. Make sure you get the washer as well. Now lift the arm up. You might just need to give it a little bit of a wobble. So the wiper arms seem to be stuck in place, they won't come out. So we're going to undo the trim up here, that's a T25. Now we're going to do the same with the other side. So we're just going to pull this rubber trim up, and then we're going to pull this piece of trim up, so flap that up, and then that comes away. We can get the cables and just pull them away, and this should be able to lift it up. Now we're going to pull this towards us, and the same with the other side. If you manage to get your wipers off, it will come completely free. So we're going to undo this one to get this half away. This is T25 as well. If you manage to get your wiper arms out, you won't need to do this. And now it's just held on by the rubber for the windscreen washers. So I managed to get it partly off with the puller. And that's off. So I used a puller like that to get it off. Now we can get that out, push that through. And now this whole piece can come to the side. You can disconnect it from the pipe if you want, but it's out of our way anyway. We've got this side to loosen up with the same method that we did on the other side. So next, once you've got that off, we're just going to pry this up a little bit and then pull the connector back. So now the motor's disconnected. And now we've got two 8mm bolts, one here and one just here. Get an 8mm on there. And now there's like a little rubber grommet just here, but that will come off when you pull it towards you in that direction. That's it. That's all free. Now I just need to get it out of place like that. So I've got the motor and the mechanism as one piece all together, but they come not attached. So it comes with the mounting screws. So line that up behind. Get one of the washers and one of the screws. And just start doing that up. Do the same with the other ones. And do them up with a 10mm. I'm just going to tighten it down. Now we're going to undo that nut. We're going to get that in place, and then we're going to do that up. So we're going to do that up with 13. And now we're going to test it on the car. So get your new motor and mechanism, and then we're just going to slide that under, and we're going to line up that grommet that's over there with this rubber. Back. So just push that on, and now we're ready to line up our bolts. So get your 8mm bolts and then put them through that. Before we do it up fully, we're going to get the other side on as well. So get that in, and line it up. And then start doing it up. And they don't need to be too tight, they're only going into plastic. Now get your connector and then plug that in. Now we're just going to test the motor out. Okay, so that works. So now take these caps off. I was just made to protect it while it was in shipping. Take these covers from your old mechanism and just slide them over the top. And now we're going to get our cover and put that. So I'm going to put this back together because now I've got the wipers off. So put that together and then I'm going to put that screw back on. And then put this thing back in the groove. flip it and put the lip underneath the window. So push the wires back in place. So get your screws for here and get that in place. Let's start doing that up. Tighten it out by the tiniest amount, it doesn't need to be that tight at all. That's it. So again, get your screw, line it up with the hole, and start doing it up. And then just make sure it's not that tight, so just, that's it. Get the little plastic piece, twist it up, slide this in. That's it. Now get this rubber trim and then just start putting it back into place. Now lower the bonnet. So get the wiper arms and line them up. Get the washer as well, and the nut. I'm going to do those up in a second. We'll do the same with the other side. To the washer and do that up. Now we're going to tighten it up. I'm going to do this one up as well. Once you've done it and you've tested it, just get the caps, push them like that and then down. Inside this side, in, and down, and you're done.
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.